Incredible!
Extraordinary.
Educating.
Inspiration.
One of the most amazing things at Shanghai Pulmonary Hospital is that in one day you can operate with 3 different robots. So today we start a lung cancer patient with the Da Vinci Uniportal VATS. Let's go, Jenny. Next case is a right lower lobectomy, but this time using the MedBot system, Chinese robot. Let's go. And the third robot we have at the hospital is the surgery single port system, the most advanced single port system in the world. We can do lobectomy with this case. Let's go.
Life-changing. A must.